Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO X200 FE to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in a second one. Finally, tap on whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you finish, hit Send at the bottom left corner of VIVO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on VIVO, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up, and then to continue, hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And tap on the Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!